डियर सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स राउतराय क्लासेस रो आज आम स्टार्ट करवा न्यू चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिक करेंट बा करेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर ना व्हाट इज करेंट current you know in your high school I symbolic is equal to q by t, that is called your constant current or uniform constant current. I is equal to dq by dt, that is equal to your variable current. Variable current, variable means जदि करेंट तुम अप डाउन है कम बेसी है ताको आम वेरिएबल करवा से इंस्टांटानियस करेंट मुझे स्मॉल आई यूज करी दैट इज कॉल्ड टू रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ चार्ज विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू टाइम. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट मीन्स करेंट तुम फिक्स रहा माने 2 एम्पियर 3 एम्पियर. एम्पियर यू नो जान एम्पियर ओडिया रे तुम थिला एम्पियर इज इक्वल टू योर कांस्टेंट 2 एम्पियर 3 एम्पियर. जब कांस्टेंट फ्लो है करेंट इज इक्वल टू चार्ज पर यूनिट टाइम. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू फॉर कांस्टेंट करेंट, दिस इज इक्वल टू फॉर इंस्टांटेनियस करेंट और वेरिएबल करेंट. व्हाट इज करेंट फास्ट तुम जानिछ चार्ज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक रे चार्ज इज इक्वल टू योर फंडामेंटल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एलिमेंटरी पार्टिकल्स एट रेस्ट. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक रे हम जानिछे चार्ज इज एट रेस्ट ड्यू टू चार्ज. Suppose this is called plus charge. There is a electric field produced around the charge. Here we consider charge in flow. Suppose this is a conductor. This is called the higher potential positive. This is called the lower potential negative. Battery you know, battery higher potential your positive. गारटा देखो बड़ गार नहीं थिबो. This is called to your negative. गोटे टॉर्च बैटरी कथा जदि आलोचना करिवो तार टॉर्च बैटरी you see this is a torch battery. This is called to negative end, this is called to positive end. This is called to higher potential, this is called to lower potential. Lower potential your negative to positive electron flow. This is called to positive. You see here you take a ball. ओके, बॉल दे दियो बस कनेक्शन कर दियो ताल कौन हबो करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर. बट इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो योर नेगेटिव लोअर पोटेंशियल टू हायर पोटेंशियल. दिस इज कॉल्ड योर करंट फ्लो. करंट फ्लो मीन्स एनर्जी फ्लो. एनर्जी फ्लो मीन्स सर्किट कंप्लीट एंड बल्ब ग्लोज. दिस इज कॉल्ड योर लाइट यू गेट. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट योर flow of a charge. So flow of a charge produces current in the circuit. Closed circuit hele charge jodi flow hela tahle current produce hobo. But in case of a rest of charge there is a electric field around the charge. Okay, this is the fundamental idea about the current. Okay, so current symbol is equal to your I is equal to charge per unit time. एक समय रे केते चार्ज फ्लो कला गोटे पर्टिकुलर क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ द कंडक्टर. गोटे कंडक्टर जदि तुम यूज करिवो दिस इज ए कंडक्टर सपोज ए टू बी करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव. दिस इज ए क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया. पर्टिकुलर टाइम रे केतेटा चार्ज एठी फ्लो हैला दैट इज कॉल्ड योर आई. सो आई इज इक्वल टू q by t. दिस इज कॉल्ड फॉर कांस्टेंट करंट. दिस इज द फंडामेंटल आइडिया अबाउट द करंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट हम जिबा unit of current. You know SI unit, CGS unit. SI unit your ampere. Ampere is equal to your SI unit. जदि हमें SI unit जीवा, जदि dimension formula को जीवा, current is a fundamental quantity. That symbol is a. So this is called your dimension formula. Okay. One is example you take. Suppose your 10 coulomb. 10 coulomb charge flows in 5 seconds. In a cross section of conductor, in a cross section of a conductor, but a conductor cross sectional area, this is called your conductor, this is called your cross sectional area, okay, of a conductor. So what is the current flow? Current, you know, this is equal to I is equal to charge, you know, Q is equal to given 10 coulomb, time is equal to given 5 seconds, this is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2 coulomb per second. So coulomb per second is equal to your ampere. So this is equal to 2 ampere current flows when 10 coulomb of a charge flows in 5 seconds in a particular cross-sectional area. Okay, this type of a problem will come if constant current flow. So you find I is equal to Q by T. Okay, for variable current, what will the problem will come? You see the problem for variable current. Variable current, you know, instantaneous current. You take your small I or capital I. This is called to rate of change of charge with respect to time. Question will come. Charge is given. Charge is given in terms of time. In terms of time. That is, Q is equal to, suppose 2t square plus 4t plus 5, like this in equation form. Charge is given in time function. This is called your charge, this is equal to your time. In this case, you have to find instantaneous current. That is, how to find current? You see, question is find current in 1 second, suppose. Gote second kete current flow. So you know answer. I is equal to your current is equal to d by dt of Q. You see, this is equal to derivative of a charge. Charge is equal to know your time function. So 2t square plus 4t plus 5. Okay. You see, derivative of a 2t square. 2 is equal to constant. T square is equal to 2t. Plus, this is equal to, you see, d by dt of a 4t. 4 is constant. T is equal to derivative 1. This plus, you see your 5, derivative of 5. 5 is a constant, so derivative is 0. So this is equal to 4t plus 4. This is equal to your I. Current you find in 1 second. 1 second means you put time 1 second. So I t is equal to 1 second. 1 is equal to 4 into 1, this is 4 plus 4, this is equal to 8. But unit is ampere. And charge is equal to your coulomb, t in a second. So this is equal to your 8 ampere. This is equal to correct answer. Then you will get a single mark or 2 marks. Okay. This type of a problem, for I is equal to d by dt of a Q. If equation given, charge in terms of time. If coulomb is given, direct Q given, time given, you use constant current I is equal to Q by T. Okay, this type of variable your formula I is equal to d by dt of Q and I is equal to Q by T. This is the difference. Clear? Next, আমি যাবা বুঝি পাইল? 1 ampere. Define 1 ampere question will come. 1 ampere. 1 ampere I is equal to, you know, this is equal to Q by T. So 1 ampere must be coulomb. Coulomb by time your second. So if ampere coulomb by second, question may come relation between ampere coulomb second. So relation to find ampere, you know your current I, you put coulomb is equal to your no charge, second time you know. So this is equal to your relation you know. So this relation is correct. If it is in different form, then you correct it. Ampere is equal to coulomb per second. Okay. In CJ system, unit of current is state ampere. ESU unit, electrostatic unit. So 1 ampere is equal to your SI unit is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state ampere. This is the relation between your ampere and state ampere. Okay. Similarly, 1 ampere is equal to 1 by 10 av ampere. EMU unit, electromagnetic unit. This is called to your state ampere. ESU, electrostatic unit. You remember, if question will come to change. You see, this is called to 10 ampere is equal to 1 av ampere. So which one unit is greater? Ampere, state ampere, av ampere. Av ampere is equal to 10 ampere. 1 ampere is equal to this is state ampere. So your biggest unit is ampere. Biggest unit of current. Biggest unit is av ampere. Okay? Clear? Next. Current density. What is current density? Density, you know, your mass by volume. Here, current density. Define current density. Current density is symbolic here J. J is equal to I by A. You remember. This is called your current density. Current density. घनता current रो घनता कितने amount रो current गला. I is equal to your current. A is equal to your area of cross section of the conductor. So you remember J is equal to I by A, that is current per unit area. Then you can define this is equal to current density. So current density is defined as current per unit area. Okay. In instantaneous form, if you write this is called instantaneous. So J is equal to I di by dA. That is small current in small area. Or you write di is equal to J dot dA. You see, current density is a vector quantity, a particular direction. So you take a current density is a vector for then dot of area vector. This is called to current. Current is a dot product of current density and vector area. So current is a scalar quantity, not vector quantity, because it is the dot product of two vectors. Okay. If you find total current, then you take integration of a total surface. This is called to J dot dA. This is called to your total current. This is called your small current in small area. If you take total conductor current, then you find integration total surface I is equal to J vector dot A vector. Okay. Then this is equal to your total A. If you take it, this is equal to J dot A. This is equal to total I. Okay. So I is a scalar quantity. Okay. Then come to SI unit of current density. You see, current density is equal to I by A. You remember general formula definition, current per unit area. So this is called to ampere per meter square. SI unit area is meter square. So ampere per meter square is the SI unit of current density. Okay. Then come to your dimensional formula. Short question will come. SI unit of current density, that is ampere per meter square. Then dimensional formula of J. J means current density. So J is equal to your I by A, current per unit area. Current, you know your fundamental ampere, capital A. Area, you know length into breadth, that is called to your L square. Okay, so this is called to L to the power of minus 2. You take to numerator. This is called to A to the power 1. This is called your dimensional formula for current density J. Okay, if you write M here, mass, then M to the power of 0. This is called your dimension formula. Okay, so short question will come. Current density is a dash quantity, is a vector quantity. Then current density SI unity, your ampere per meter square. Then current density dimension formula, this is equal to L to the power minus 2, A to the power 1. This is your short question, multiple choice may come. Okay, if we find current density, if current given, surface area given, or area of the conductor given at any point, then current density is equal to I by A. You put, suppose your 10 ampere current, area is 10 meter square. So what is the current density? That is equal to 10 cancel 1 ampere per meter square. Okay, this is equal to your short question. Then come to your what is drift velocity. Drift velocity of electrons. What is electron? Electron, you know your negative charge. You see your battery. This is called your battery. Torch battery, you know. This is called to negative. This is called to your positive end. You know this is a single your tip. This is called positive end. This is called to negative end. Electron flows from negative to positive. That is lower potential to higher potential. So if you join in a conductor and take a ball here, then current flow. If you cut it, a switch is off, this is a short, open circuit, then no current. No current means electron in a conductor in a random motion. माने आड़े साड़े बुलुथुवे. So total velocity, by average velocity of electrons in a conductor, there is no current in the conductor, then you are 0. You see, drift velocity, what is the drift velocity? The velocity by which electrons drifted, D-R-I-F-T-E-D. Drifted means pulled, tiny hejiba, towards positive terminal. Towards positive terminal. Terminal means end. ताले कोठी की जीवो पॉजिटिव की जीवो कोठू जीवो नेगेटिव रु जीवो. So in battery two terminals, one is higher potential positive, one is lower potential negative. So positive negative to positive pulled टाणी हे जीवो केते बेले जेते बेले तमरो सर्किट टा कंप्लीट हे जीवो. ओके, एटा बॉल दे दलो, सर्किट टा कंप्लीट हे गला. This is a battery. Okay, so electrons flow from negative terminal of a battery to positive terminal, and current flow from positive to negative. So in case of no closed circuit, this is open circuit, no flow of electron. So electron no flow means no current. So drift velocity जेतबेले तुम पाइबो तार तो drift velocity gives current flow in the conductor. That is your application ball glows. Okay, so the velocity by which electrons drifted pulled टाणी हे आसीबा केतबेले टाणी हबो जेतबेले तुम PD सप्लाई करबो. PD means potential difference, that is equal to your battery negative to positive supply हला माने PD यूज हला माने गोटे सर्किट रे क्लोज सर्किट रे then electrons pulled automatically negative to positive. So this is called drift velocity. जो velocity रे negative to positive electron गुडा movement करिवे pull हेबे टाणी हे आसीबे ताको हम कोन कहबा your drift velocity. So the velocity by which electrons drifted towards positive terminal is called drift velocity. Is called drift velocity. Drift means taniba. Okay. Now derive an expression for drift velocity of electrons. Clear? You see, let U1, U2, U3 up to Un. Suppose n electrons flow in a conductor. N number of electrons. So electrons flow when PD applied. No PD, no battery, no closed circuit, then your initial velocity of electrons, n electrons, U1, U2, U3, Un. This is the first electron, second electron, third electron, fourth electron. This is called nth electron. Okay? So initial velocity, average initial velocity is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 up to Un divided by n number of electrons. You take average. This is equal to your 0 in rest case. If circuit is open. Clear? So open circuit रे तमरो इलेक्ट्रॉन गुडा को रैंडम मोशन रे आसु थांती आडे साडे धान धपड़ कर थांती. So average velocity of electrons in a conductor. Conductor means it is a metal. Metal रे free electrons in a random motion. So average velocity is equal to 0. This is equal to equation 1. Clear? Next come to when PD applied, that is called to electric field produce. Electric field is equal to your minus V by L. Electric field is equal to force per unit charge. You use this to find drift velocity. Okay? So E is equal to F by this is equal to minus. This is equal to charge means electron charge negative. This is called F is equal to minus EE. So the force is equal to minus EE. E you know minus V by L. So you use minus E into minus V by L. That is PD by length. This is equal to minus plus V by L. EV by L. This is equal to your force. Okay. Next come to force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass into acceleration is equal to force. Acceleration is equal to force by mass. Force is equal to EV by L. So this is put here 1 by m into F is equal to EV by L. Clear? So this is called to your acceleration of the electrons EV by ml. This is called to your potential. This is called to length. This is called to mass. This is called to charge of the electron. Okay. When electron move and close circuit, then you will get a final velocity of the electrons. Okay. Final velocity. Let V1, V2 up to Vn. Your final velocity of electrons. Average final velocity, that is equal to your drift velocity, is equal to your V1 plus V2 up to Vn. Clear? Divided by n. This is equal to your average velocity of free electrons. V we know U plus AT in your first year equation of motion. So V1 means U1 plus AT1. Then V2 is equal to U2 plus AT2. Or you can use your tau, very small time, tau. This is equal to your tau 2. This is equal to tau 1 plus up to UN plus A tau n. Very small time use kale ame tau naba. A tau ta kono relaxation time. Then you see U1, U2 up to UN. This is equal to your divided by n. U1 plus U2. You separate all initial velocities. This is equal to divided by n. Plus you see A tau 1, A tau 2 up to A tau n. You take common A. So this is equal to tau 1 plus tau 2 plus up to tau n. This is divided by n. You separate like this. This you know, initial stage, that is called your zero. Okay, clear? Janiparucho? So this is equal to zero means Vd is equal to A into. This is equal to your simple average relaxation time tau. Okay, A tau. This is called relaxation time. What is a relaxation time? You see electron movement. This is a collision. Electron जेतबे metal भितर जीवो से कोन हबो जीवो आसीबो गोटे collision create करिवो माने जीवो forward and backward. This is called the relaxation time. Clear? Then acceleration we know. We get put acceleration is equal to ev by ml. We got in equation 1. So you put here A is equal to ev by ml tau. This is called your drift velocity of free electrons. This is a simple derivative. This is the expression of a drift velocity. So question may come, define drift velocity, derive an expression for it. This is called your electric charge of electron. This is called your potential. This is called to mass. This is called to length. This is called to your tau. Okay. Then come to your relation between, second part, relation between current and drift velocity. Drift velocity you see velocity v, d is equal to drift माने टाइम हिजबा आको भीतर गोटे रिलेशन गोटे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आसीबो बा तमरो आ सहित अटैच हेकरी क्वेश्चन आसीबो. क्लियर? सेकंड पार्ट इज रिलेशन बिटवीन करंट एंड ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी. You see a conductor, current flow. You see this is called to your A, this is called to B. Length is L. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. Displacement, electron move this end to this. This is called your L. So S is equal to L by T, or L is equal to Vt. So you write L is equal to velocity into time. Clear? बुझिपाइल? Let n is equal to number of electrons move one end to other end. Number of electrons move per unit volume. Per unity volume. एकक वॉल्यूम रे तमरो n नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूवमेंट कला end to end. So this is called volume. What is the volume of cylinder? Volume you know, this is called cross sectional area A. You take capital A is equal to cross sectional area of the conductor. You see this is called your capital A. Length into breadth into height your L. L is equal to Vt. Okay, this is equal to volume. So N is equal to total number of electrons. Total number of electrons move from A to B. So total number of electrons, this is called per unit volume. एकक volume रे this. So total number of electrons is equal to N. This is called your volume AVT. This is equal to number of electrons move from A to B. This. Okay. Next come to your charge of anybody. Charge your part NE plus minus in electrostatic discrete nature. So this N means capital N and E. Capital N is equal to this number of electron. So this is called NAVT. E. This is called your Q. If you find Q, then you find current. Current I is equal to Q by T. So Q is equal to NAVTE divided by T. T cancel. This is equal to NAVT V means your velocity. Velocity means electron move from N to Bn. That is equal to drift velocity. This is equal to your negative potential. This is equal to positive potential. So drift velocity move from negative to positive. That is drifted. NAVDE. This is equal to your current. So you can write current is directly proportional to VD. Drift velocity. So when drift velocity increases, current increases. That's the speed of the electron जेतबेले बढ़ी जीव negative to positive movement speed then current will increase in the conductor. Clear? This is the your drift velocity, derivation of a drift velocity, and relation between current and the drift velocity may come your long question. Clear? Then come to what is define Ohm's law first. Ohm's law in electricity. Ohm's law at constant temperature, current is directly proportional to PD, potential difference. That is I is directly proportional to V, or you can write V is equal to V proportional to I, or V is equal to RI. So R is equal to V by I. What is R? R is the resistance or proportionality constant. So proportionality constant R is equal to V by I. That is V by I is a constant for a conductor. This is equal to Ohm's law. So at constant temperature, current is directly proportional to PD. So current, PD and resistance, जोटा proportionality constant कहूचे ताको हमें resistance बोली कहूचे. A relation. What is the relation? R is equal to V by I. तार V by I is a constant quantity. So resistance, which is called a resistance, this is called your Ohm's law. In simple cases, simple circuit, in one battery जो तरह लगी थी वो उटे cell लगी थी वो Ohm's law use होगा. And temperature is constant. You see, this is the most important. Temperature variation है ताहले तमरो V by I constant quantity आसीबने for a conductor. Okay, this is called your Ohm's law. Clear? In the next video, I will show your resistance definition, dimension formula, unit, then series, combination of resistances, series and parallel. Then cells. What is cells? Cell combination. What is the necessity of a cell combination, series and parallel? Okay? Thank you.